Adding Everything Search to your right-click menu makes searching files way faster because you can launch searches directly from File Explorer. In this guide, I'll show you how to set it up step by step and test it properly. First, open Everything Search, then go to the Tools menu at the top and click Options. This is where all advanced settings are stored. In the Options window, look for the Context menu or Integration section. Enable the option that says something like Add to Explorer Context menu so everything appears when you right-click. After enabling it, click Apply, then OK. This saves your changes and activates the right-click integration immediately. Now open File Explorer and right-click any folder or file. You should see an option for Everything Search in the menu. Click the Everything Search option, and it will instantly open everything with that location or file already loaded. This saves a lot of time compared to opening it manually. If you don't see the option, go back to Options and make sure Shell integration is enabled. Sometimes you may need to restart Everything or Windows Explorer, so yeah, don't skip that step. Finally, test again on another folder or file to confirm it works smoothly. Once it's active, you can search anything directly from the right-click menu. And that's how to add Everything Search to your right-click menu. Once enabled, it makes searching way faster and more convenient.